How to design and install an electrical submersible pump. This video shows how to design an ESP and install it in a well that is not producing naturally. The current file contains the PVT model and the well sketch. The IPR has been generated with a Vogel model and a vertical lift performance curve based on the current production conditions. Note the high water production. From the nodal analysis, the non-intersection between the IPR and VLP curves is observed, meaning that there is no flow to surface under the current conditions. The well is dead. The plan is to install an artificial lift method to bring this well into production. In this case, the electrical submersible pump will be designed. Open the ESP Design option from the additional tools. Define the desired depth of the pump, in this case, the bottom of the tubing. Set the target production rate. The free gas vented fraction can also be defined here. The wellhead pressure and fluid ratios are updated from the information found in the VLP definition. Click on Compute. The pressure drop and the well flowing pressure required to reach the design conditions are calculated. The conditions at the intake and discharge points of the pump are also displayed. Select Catalog. A filtered set of pumps is displayed. These pumps meet the required conditions to produce at the imposed rate. A pump with the best efficiency point close to the required rate is chosen. Click on Copy to Model. Observe the impact on the VLP curve. The selected pump generates a delta pressure at downhole conditions that produces at the target rate. The Traverses tab shows the pressure drop at the pump depth. The flowing pressure now is below the reservoir pressure. The Turpin plot is used to identify the limits of stable pump operations based on the amount of gas that can be handled without impacting the performance of the pump. The calculated point is under the curve, meaning stable conditions. A tornado plot is available to show the head performance curve and the operating range for different values of motor frequency. Click on Install the pump to regenerate the VLP under those conditions. Nodal analysis shows an intersection between the VLP and IPR curves. With the use of artificial lift, this well came into production. Sensitivities can be carried out to find optimal operation conditions. In this case, select the operation frequency and observe the impact on the production rate. This concludes this video on the design and installation of an electrical submersible pump.